Hi, this is the overall view of what I got, one of the items from the Ulta haul that I just showed the video of. This one was a kit that you got 6 pieces. It was called Beach Chic. You got the 6 pieces. It was $20, and if you spent $19.50, you got this canvas large tote, and that tote came with a bronzer and a lip gloss. So I just want to show you the differences and a couple of swatches so you guys can make an educated decision. The bronzer that came in the Chic kit, this mini one, none of them have names, but it's a lot darker than the large one. Came to me as more like a highlighter. So let me show you. This is the mini version, and this is the one that came in the tote. And if you can see, it's very light. It's more like a highlighter than it is the bronzer. So that's the two bronzers. I'm going to just wipe my hands so I can do the swatches of the other items. Okay, the other items here is a blush, and they called it It's 5 O'Clock Somewhere. This is the pink one, and that's the brown one. I'm gonna wipe my hands, and now I'm going to do the swatches of the eyeshadows. Okay, starting with the first color. That's almost the color of my skin, so it's hard to see. The second one, and a shimmer. That's the first side, first row. Second row, give me a sec. That didn't come out too well. It's a good transition shade, another shimmer, and then the darkest color. Not bad. Not a lot of fallout, and it seems to have good pigmentation. Then there were two glosses. The first gloss, this came in the beach kit. They're more like toppers. You'll see they're pretty light. It's actually, the more I go over it, the more it disappears. It's pretty not impressive. And then the other one's supposed to be a lip plumper. That has a little bit more pigmentation, but they're definitely toppers. You could see the shine in that. And then the last two items that came in this cute little pouch were these head ties, but they're very small. They're more for a child. And that's it. So hope that helps you make a better decision. Once again, there's all the swatches. And hope to see you guys again in another video. Thanks. Bye.